All right, what's up, house crew? We are here today in Jackson, Michigan. There were plenty of strikes yesterday during the practice session, and I assume there's going to be plenty of strikes today during the tournament. So I got to put on my striking shoes. I think I brought them. I don't know. I hope I brought them. And if I didn't, it's going to be a short week on the tour. So hopefully I brought them, and I can do some striking this block and next block. It is 12 games today, 2 blocks of 6, and I will see you guys hopefully when I'm striking. But until then, you guys know what to do. Subscribe to the channel down below and help me change this number right here, wherever I put it, to 50%. I want at least 50% of you guys. Come on, help me out. Help me help you. Help me help you. And until then, let's get to striking. Well, after games 1 and 2, I've realized, urethane's the key. It's going to be probably the purple hammer. There is really not a backup plan, and every single person around me is throwing strikes. I think I shot 269 that first game. The second game I shot like 2-0, but I'm like 70-something over, and I looked up and down, and everyone is shooting 250s. I think the pace is around like 230 or 240 average. So it's going to be really high scoring. I know that. I just have to hopefully keep chasing those strikes and see the right shape and get a couple breaks along the way. So that was after 2. So I'll catch you guys after 4. All right, so games 3 and 4, I shot 268, 243, so 2 really good games. Back up probably around the top 10, but again, the scores are so high, it can't be too far up the leaderboard, just with 260, 240, and then the 2-0 game 2, and the 260 game 1. So I'm close to like, 180 over for 4, and I got some more striking to do for sure, and I'm following a couple lefties these next games 5 and 6, so I'm hoping, I know that they threw urethane as well, and I'm hoping I can move a little right, go around them, use that slower ball speed, because moving a little left and throwing it harder hasn't seemed to work yet, so it's going to be needing to really gear down, throw it slower, and almost use their urethane balls and their carry down lane to help my miss in push and still hit the pocket. And hopefully I can make those pocket hits still strike. So that's the goal going into 5 and 6, and I'll see you in a couple games. All right, so after games 5 and 6, 268, 216, I ended on that 216. I had a pair with like 4 lefties or 5 lefties that had already been there, and I tried to shape it around it, and I bowled a really good game. I just couldn't seem to get the 7 out, and then when I tried to get the 7 out, I 6-pinned. So a lot of trying to really like hit the pocket and get my entry angle correct, and I just couldn't really that last game. But I should be somewhere around the top 10, top 5 with that huge block, plus 272 that block. But I'll see you guys after the lunch break. We're going on lunch break right now, and I'll see you guys after the lunch break back at the block for the next 6 games. And hopefully, with the scoring pace being the way it is, it's 235 average to make the cut. I'm 272 over after 6, but the cut's like 211, so I got to do some more striking this second block for sure. And hopefully I can do some of that. Block two, we are off to an absolute huge start. We got 268, 300. 268, 300 the first 2 games, so that's 568 for 2. So off to a really good start, hit some really good pairs. The lefty that was on that first pair really set him up for me, and I know that I just got to keep this pace up because Jesper went a million over the first block. I think I went 272 over, might have been like second or third, and he went like 370 over. So hopefully I can try and catch him here, run him down a little bit, and hopefully, end up somewhere up top. But really just got to stay focused, hopefully make the right moves. As I said, moving right and slower, just like the first block, seems to work. This night block seems to be hooking a little more downlane, which helps me when I move in. But hopefully I can keep that up and keep that pace up, because if I can, we're going to be in a really good spot for tomorrow. So games 3 and 4 of the night block, we shot 238 and then 245. So really during that 245 game, both games really I had 1 or 2 bad shots that split. I didn't really quite commit. I was a little, score chasing in those 260s and those 300s, but I can't complain. I shot 806 my first 3 games, and I shot 245 to follow up that. So I know I'm in a really good spot. I know I'm pretty close to that 1 spot, definitely in second right now out of the 72-man field. So hopefully I can just keep that up. And all I'm saying is this is probably the highest scoring PBA event I've ever been to, regional, non-regional, whatever it is. This is the highest scoring PBA event I have ever been to. So I'll see you guys after games 5 and 6. Games 5 and 6, 227, 219, a rough start. Those last 2 I really just couldn't strike. Less bad shots, less splits like I had during that 238 and 245 games. I just couldn't quite carry the 7, and then I went and tried to carry the 7, and I started leaving. Kind of like the end of last block, kind of leave like some 6 pins, some 8 pins, a lot of 7 pins there. And that last game, I probably should have switched balls and tried to go harder and straighter, because it seems like maybe at the end of blocks that might be the play. But who knows? I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm currently sitting in second place behind Jesper. It is Jesper, then me. I'm currently 569 over, and that block I went 297 over. So 272, 297. Those are my 2 blocks. I'm 569 over. Huge, huge, huge. But still, there is 4 games to go tomorrow, and then cut to 2, and then 2 games. 4 games tomorrow, then cut to 16, then 2 games, then cut to 8, then 2 games, then cut to 4 for the step ladder final. So hopefully I can do some striking tomorrow, a lot like today. Hopefully I can do plenty of that tomorrow, and I will catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully with my striking shoes still on, for the final games, trying to chase that step ladder down. So until then, peace.